it's me, Umbrian Darkball, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make gradient. So let's go for my Tumblr for a bit. Yeah, don't ask, I watch FNAF now. Now, as you can see, I didn't got this from the gallery or from DeviantArt. I actually made this. You might think it kind of looks like somewhere you know, but no, I use ibispainting by that. So all you need to do not mind that we're having a festival at Philippines. All you need to do not ask all this, just check out my DeviantArt and make a paper and choose any color you want. I'll just skip this for a bit. Alright, so this is what color I chose, red and blue. Alright, so all you need to do is to go to the smudge and just smudge everything up using it. You guys better wait for a moment. And done. So you might be asking, how is this going to work? Well, go to lasso and just do that. And to transform, we go right there to here. It'll make this. And there you go. That's how you, oh god dang it. You make it. So yeah, you can draw anything there. Here, you can even add you can even do this. There, and then at the background, we should erase it. Oh, wait. We should erase the background, but we need the magic wand. We use this. Yeah, you guys better be careful about this. They might. Just gonna take a very long time. Do not mind the thing in the background. There's a cockfighting. So, then you erase everything here. And if that little gap thing right there is still there, you guys, it's okay, because you can use this eraser and erase everything. Oh no, dang it. Let's reset that. I can erase everything. Oh dang it. Seriously. It's just a little bit lower. You see. You know what? There I erased everything, and you can transform it like that to make it look like it's a planet. But if you don't want to use ibispainting, you can also try using mediband paint. You guys might be asking, why do I have this book? So, you guys can pick any color and just press this. And you can do this. Just get what color you need, any color from mediband, and oops, and you got gradient right there. Might not look like one, but you can also change it. There. There. I don't think this is gradient at all. So, hope you guys enjoy the how-to, even though I'm a comic girl. If you did, like this video and subscribe, even though I can't do that, and comment. So you can, yeah, I don't know. And share the video to your friends so they can see. I'm not just gonna like my own video. That's weird. Bye, guys.